Trees and the universe encode information. When it comes to trees, people often think of environmental issues. However, here I want to present a different perspective, an idea that goes beyond the ordinary. Animals, and even humans, are just forms of information in a universe encoded by energy. Imagine the universe we live in. Energy is the building block of this universe, and everything we see, from space to living things, is the result of that energy being encoded into information. You can compare this to the way a spark from a match burns. At first glance, the space around the spark appears to be empty, but in fact, it is energy that is spreading and changing constantly. Similarly, the universe after the Big Bang has undergone an expansion process, energy spreading throughout space and gradually thinning out. As energy moves, it creates the space we see today, and this space is actually a form of information encoded from energy. So, if energy keeps moving endlessly, what stops it or shows us that it exists? It is the magnetic field. The magnetic field is the element that absorbs and interacts with energy, helping the energy transform into new forms. It is this process that creates time, and time only exists when energy is absorbed and transformed. Energy in the universe moves in two forms, straight and in waves. It is the effect of the magnetic field that makes the energy spread into wave forms and continue to transform in space. All objects, including the Earth, are formed from the absorption of this cosmic energy. And when the Earth absorbs energy, we have time, a concept that helps us feel the transformation and existence of all things. So where does human emotion fit into this model? I propose a formula. Space plus time equals emotion. We have understood that space is the result of energy being encoded into information, and time is the result of energy being absorbed. Emotion, in my opinion, is a reflection of this process in human existence. Like a game of marbles, when one marble impacts another, energy moves from one to the other in a certain trajectory. That process is similar to the information in the universe being encoded and remembered in our emotions. Every collision, every impact leaves a mark, just like the way we remember emotional moments in our lives. In the end, everything we see, from the trees in the park to the distant planets, is the result of cosmic problems solved millions of years ago. They are the product of a series of information encodings originating from energy and transformed over time. This universe is not just a physical existence, but also a complex information coding system, where everything, including human emotions, is formed from energy and interacts with it.